Deer-resistant ground cover plants. There are two Pachysandras to consider when deciding on ground covers for deer control. Japanese Pachysandra, Pachysandra terminalis, and its American relative, Allegheny spurge, Pachysandra procumbens, both grow to about 1 foot by 1 foot. In North America, the Japanese Pachysandra is the more vigorous ground cover and will fill in an area faster. But these two Pachysandras are equally effective in deer control. Grass is grass, you say? When most people mention grass, they are talking about the common lawn grasses that many of us have been mowing since our childhoods. But some grasses are not meant to be mowed. They are known as ornamental grasses. Like the Pachysandras described above, ornamental grasses can serve as substitutes for lawn grass. Like lilyturf, some ground covers are invasive. You will have to weigh your concerns about deer control against any concerns about their invasiveness before using these plants. As with lilyturf, these ground covers are such vigorous growers that you may wish to keep them in check. Deer-resistant ground covers need not just sit there and look pretty. Many herbs make great ground covers and bring much more than just visual interest to the landscape. Besides being ornamental, herbs can be edible and can have medicinal uses. The herbs discussed here are all aromatic but not to deer, who refuse to eat them precisely because of their smell. Most gardeners grow these plants for their leaves, not their blossoms. All of them should be grown in full sun. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.